to go on a bike ride, and our deal is we don't have a carrier on the Bronco yet. It's coming, we don't have it. So the goal here, fire up a good old Mac, and we're gonna go find a place to park it and then pull the bikes out so we can do a bike ride here. Kind of looking forward to it. So many pretty areas. I think we're going to something like Rohanda or something beach, and then there's a big bike loop here. The fun thing about Delaware in this area is they do have a ton of bike stuff, bike lanes, things, and you can go out to eat and do all kinds of stuff. So very unique, very different, but we are firing up good old Mac, head out on an adventure. We'll see how it goes. First got to find a place to park big enough, because I need almost 16 feet for it to come out the side to get everything off. It's those little things.
A man and woman left their home to switch things up and go on the road. They didn't know where they would go, but it's gotta be better than staying home. They switched it up. They switched it up.
I want to welcome Sheila back to the truck. She has not been in good old Mac for a bit. What's the matter?
It's you and all your kind of moved in.
I have moved in. Look how clean this seatbelt is. Nobody ever sat there.
Let's go down.
We good?
Ready.
All right, we have to go find a spot to unload the bikes. That's the assignment.
Yes.
And we understand said assignment. Okay. I think we're all checked. Good. Clear. Here. We found a parking lot. We can get bikes out.
Steps.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Because without the wheels, it goes boom.
The wheels are the most important aspect of this little setup.
Somebody's gonna ask.
What are they gonna ask? We've done like several videos on this.
Oh, well then they should watch those.
You should see what Ed and Kelly have to do.
Hi friends! That traffic was fantastic.
I mean, like as we go up this
Oh yeah.
East Coast, it's gonna be fine.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. All right. Well, here, right there. It's not a good start. Shiny new bike you have there, Todd.
I know.
It's so pretty. I like the colors of it.
Turned out good.
Yeah.
Can I take some pictures?
Sure.
Huh?
Can I take some?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, we don't care.
Thank you.
New cover team?
No, guy in Florida. Look at that. I got a new pretty bike too. Oh.
All right, so the cool part about when they sent us the electric bikes is that the pedals come off, and I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, but if you're trying to put bikes against each other in like an RV space, it's a huge deal. And they just literally pop on and off super easy. So, and then you can store them inside your RV. It's pretty cool, actually. So we need to put our bags on, and get our, these literally have 0.1 miles on them. So it's going to be our first like long ride.
It is. It's a test. It's a good long test. And that'll be.
We're not moving from there for a bit.
Yeah, we're there for a hot bit.
Oh, this is your bike, babe.
Does anyone know where we're going?
It does.
I guess I've gone 1 mile. You've gone 1 mile?
1 mile.
So
Does everybody
We-
have bike locks if we're going to stop and you want to walk your bike up?
yeah, it should be in there. We'll do a comparison video from our old Hemiways to the new Lectrics. We'll have a chance to do that maybe on this little roundabout.
Well, one thing I do like is the fact that our pedals come off. That is a very nice feature.
Ed's leading the way. Apparently what we've been told is the loop is like 16 miles to go completely around the bike trail here. So I don't know how far we're going, but we're gonna see what's here.
With me, nobody has to know where we gonna go.
What we have here is a salt marsh.
I was just calling to see
There's a fish or something swimming at the top.
to run away with me,
Fishing down there. You catch anything?
to run away with
That's it?
Wait for the tide to come in.
Oh man.
tell your
Gotta get that tide in.
friends know we're safe later.
Only thing they're missing here is gators.
Rose gold,
No, can't be in here. We're too far north.
sleeping
Nope.
in the stars.
So what are your first impressions after your next mile ride? Some adjustments need to be made.
Some minor tweaks and adjustments. Ergonomically, it feels better for me that the handlebars feel like they're further, like so I can sit up better. Than the other one. I felt like I was leaning forward more, so this just feels like a better posture.
Huh.
You just got to get used to it. It goes faster than I think.
I know, I'm running in gear 2.
Yeah. If I stay in gear 2, then
Let me take that plastic off for you too.
yeah, what'd you find? All kinds.
On your brake light.
It's like new tags.
This trail system's pretty elaborate here. We're heading to Lewes, I guess, first. Lewes will be our first stop.
Come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go.
Alright, we're 11 miles in, and I forgot to charge the battery. So this ought to be one of those adventures where I might have to walk back or something, because we're a ways away. This is really cool though, all the bike paths in different areas. Observation tower.
Don't tell your friends, let them know we're safe later.
Definitely a smooth ride. So, okay, downhill. We need some downhills for a while.
It's just calling to see if you're free to run away with me, to run away with me,
Really?
to run away with me, to run away with me.
We've made it to Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk. It's pretty cool. Apparently, this is a place where a lot of people from like New Jersey and everyone comes down. So beaches are pretty packed. The boardwalk's cool though. It's pretty hopping place.
What sounds good for food?
I don't know.
You
Duck
know,
in anywhere.
It's pretty awesome that we can grab our bikes, grab our friends, come down and get some food after a day of working in the office.
That is until I can't get my bike back because I'm gonna run out of battery. That's okay, you can pull me back just like we did
in the Going to the Sun Road.
Yeah, in Glacier National Park. Okay, we were able to get something to eat. I only have one bar left, 2 miles to go. We're enjoying our first little outing on Lectric.
Some good food, friends, good bike ride. The sun's going down though, it's going to get chilly.
Yeah, gotta get off.
I got 5 bars.
Yeah, I mean...
I got 5 bars still. And I've went 16 miles. Look at that. Lectric is very energy efficient.
Unless you're bigger. I should have checked my battery. I didn't check.
I don't know if that helps the bigger part.
Yeah, ha 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 ha. Okay.
When I think about all of the things that you and me could be, I want to be with you both day and night, to sit on the grass beneath the moonlight. I know that life won't last forever, but at least
Less than 1 bar. I can only go as fast as 12 miles an hour now. Oh, 13. I broke a record. The home stretch. Got to pedal a lot, but just enough power. Like barely enough. Victory!
You didn't have to be pulled.
Oh.
And look, you know what I like? But how easy for you. I am 5'2", just so y'all know. And I can just put my foot through here and easily get off the bike. Yeah. That's a big deal.
It's a good demonstration, dear.
You're welcome.
Okay, this was a great first outing.
20 miles for our first
I know,
outing.
you haven't lost any battery. I just didn't charge.
I lost 1 battery.
So.
You did. You started with a full battery. So
I know,
how are you
but
saying that
sometimes though, just because it's full, before we even made it like 5 miles, it went down 2 bars. And at that moment, I knew that I wasn't fully charged.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was super fun. I enjoyed
20
this
miles,
bike a
19
lot.
miles.
Yep, that was fun.
It was a good outing. Okay, let's put it away.
Let's load them up.
Tomorrow we leave for a new adventure.
Oh yes, you know what tomorrow's new adventure is, babe?
What?
You're gonna take this behemoth on the ferry.
Oh man, you guys better subscribe because the ferry is 13.6 as well.
Yep.
And we're gonna take up like a whole bay. Well, this ought to be exciting.
And just like that, the bikes are all put away. Look at that. It's like a magic trick.
It is?
It's like a magic trick. But I will say that how do you say it? Rehoboth and Lewes Delaware, Rehoboth Beach and Lewes Delaware, you guys have like a 5-star bike friendly area.
Absolutely.
It was definitely worth, and it's beautiful. So we enjoyed our visit here. On to the next.
On to the next.
On to the next.